Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to go through how to turn this strategy into a forex robot. Somebody requested that I look into possibly showing them how to make a momentum indicator based forex robot. So we are just going to do that in this video, and I found this strategy. I've never used the momentum indicator myself, so I found this strategy about using the momentum indicator to make money, hopefully to make money. Let's open it in a new tab so that we see what's going on. Okay, so basically this is how the strategy works. Maybe if we go here, let's just see. Of course, we just need the momentum indicator. The buy setup rules: market should start an uptrend rally. This is for the buy setup. Momentum indicator needs to cross the 100 level, which is this line. It needs to cross that. Candle should be bullish to fulfill the condition of this strategy. Okay, place buy order after the closing of the bullish candle. Okay, then the opposite will basically be for the sell condition. So we'll go back to that. If the above Euro USD H4 chart in the above Euro USD H4 chart, we can see momentum indicator crossed 100 level and started bullish rally, which gained 230 pips. With the rules of this strategy, another 100 pips was gained from a sell setup. Okay, so that's what it does. So time frame, apparently this strategy works on H1 and H4. That if you want to make some money, if you want to make more money, you need to use this on H1 and H4 time frame. Currency pair, it says any currency pair. Take profit and stop loss. Take profit will be 50 to 200 pips for H4 time frame. For lower time frame, you can set TP according to market momentum. Stop loss should be around 30 to 60 pips. I guess that applies to this. You can set stop loss on swing high or swing low if you want to do it manually. Risk warning: this strategy works well on trending markets. So before you plug your robot, it should be a trending market. If you want to use this strategy in your live account, you need to make a practice on a demo. You must need proper whatever those standard things. So yeah, basically this is how you can actually do it manually on MT4 or MT5. So I think this is straightforward. If we come back to this is pretty straightforward. So we are going to use Fxdreema for this, and there's a reason why I'm using Fxdreema, because it has an option for crossover. I don't want to just have this thing above and continue opening new trades. So I only want to take a trade when this happens, only take a trade when the crossover happens. So that's all that I need to do. So we are going to go to Fxdreema, and we are going to be on the on tick section. I think I'll share this code on the blog. The link will be in the description box below if anybody wants to try this out and just see what we did in this video. To do that, you just need to open a free account on Fxdreema and log into that free account on the builder section, so that you can have access to this where it says project, and you can come here where it says import project XML MQ4 MQ5. You are probably going to use the MQ4 because Fxdreema you can only use it for free for MT4. Okay, So let's start with that. Okay. So what I usually want to do is have once per bar. Of course, I usually do it backwards, and I need this. I'm just telling the robot to see that it has not placed any trades. Then once per bar, I want it to look for these conditions. So here we are setting the buy condition, and here we'll be setting the sell condition. I could have just set this condition and then copy and pasted it to the side and just switch over the conditions, but in any case, let's do that, and let's do that. Then we double click and go in here. So what we need is actually to have the momentum 14 indicator. That's what we need. So indicator, momentum 14, and we're going to use a close price, which is good. And then we need it to to cross the 100 level. So we are going to have where cross, so it crosses above the value 100. That's what we need to do for that. Then for the sell, we just need the opposite. For that. We are going to double click here and go to momentum and 14 and crosses below the value 100. That will be for our sell condition update. That's basically it. Now we just need to set what they said we need to have: the take profits and stop loss. So here we'll say buy now and double click, and here you can set the lot size that you want. I will set 0.01 and just tick that so that I can edit this in my metaphor without coming back to Fxdreema, and that as well. So here they gave us what? They gave us between 50 and 200 pips as take profit. So between 50 and 200, I'm just going to take a guesswork and just say 150. And stop loss, it says between 30 and 60. I'm just going to use what? Let's just use 40. And we're going to do that for the sell order as well. Sell order, and we double click on there, and we just do that to the lot size. And here again, maybe we just make it 150, and here we said 40, and we just tick those ones so that we are able to edit these values on MetaTrader 4 side without coming back to Fxdreema, and we update. We are essentially done. What else might we want to do before we actually save this system? Let's just see time frame. I don't really mind about time frame. What do we need? We might need candles. Let's see if we are going to find some candles. So we are going to click on this just normal click to delete the connection, and we are going to click on that and delete the connection there, because here they mention you need a bullish candle on top of this. You need a bullish candle and you need a bearish candle on top of that. So on top of this condition happening, you still need a bullish candle. That's what they are saying. And on top of this happening, you still need a bearish candle. That's what they said here. That's what they said here. That's what they say there. So here is a bullish candle and a bearish candle. So we just drag it and put it there and just link it like that. Double click and go in there. Candle ID, we are going to use the candle 1. We are going to use candle 1. Time frame, decide on what time frame you want to use, but the recommended one was H4 or H1. Here did we set time frame? Let's just see more settings. You can change it to H4 as well and update, and here double click and more settings. You set it to H1 again, and here we're going to use a bearish candle, and we are going to just link it like that, and we double click in there. We are going to use H1 candle as well. Maybe just tick this. Minimum body size, you might decide on a minimum body size. Maybe you want a candle that definitely says there's momentum, so maybe you don't want these small candles. So that's what minimum body size or maximum body size means there. So here it says 5 pips, so maybe you can tick that so that we can play with it depending on how the market is moving. But 5 pips, a candlestick that is 5 pips, I think is a relatively good indicator of some momentum. Or maybe you might want to increase it. I don't know what you might want to do. Maybe 10, but maybe just use the default. I'm just explaining things, and let's just check there. Yes, so you decide on the minimum body size candle that you want to use in pips. So when basically what we are saying is, first of all, this is going to happen, and after that, where the robot must look for a bullish candle that is minimum 5 pips in height before it decides to buy. If it finds a candle that is 3 pips, it's not going to open a buy. If it finds a candle that is 2 pips, it's not going to buy. A candle that is 1 pip, it's not going to buy. That's what we are saying. So that's basically it. How many blocks did we use in this robot? 8, which is good, because I think the minimum on the free account should be around 10. Then if you also want to play with other things, you can play with these trailing stops, trailing stop. You can trail each trade and double click and decide on how many pips you want to trail by. You are trailing what? You are trailing the stop loss, and you are trailing the ask price for buy, the bid price for sell, or you can change it, bid price for buy, ask price for sell, basically, or middle price. Is basically up to you. There's a lot that you can do with this platform, really. I'm just showing you the basics. There's a lot that you can go into playing with this platform. Then you can basically just do that. Afterwards, then we come here and we just name our robot momentum EA, and done. After that, we can download the MQ4 file as well as the EX4 file. I think I'll link where you can download this file that we just created there, and then you can come here and you can import and you can see what we did. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Turning this into a forex robot. Basically, I've given you an idea of how you can turn a momentum indicator based strategy into a forex robot. Somebody asked me about that, so that's how basically you'll probably be able to do that. Subscribe, like the video, leave your comments in the comment section below, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.